Hypnotherapy is an amazingly effective way of gaining access to the subconscious drives that make us think the way we think, feel the way that we feel, or behave the way that we do. We all know what it feels like to desperately want something in our behaviour to change, but we often just don't have the willpower to make it happen. And even if we do bring about change, it's often short-lived. Now that's because our subconscious is doing its best to protect us by maintaining what's familiar. Change is challenging and can be uncomfortable, and we are wired to avoid discomfort. So if something we want to achieve causes any kind of emotional distress, then there's an internal conflict between our conscious reasoning, where we can see the benefits of change, and our subconscious, which is just trying to keep us safe or at least comfortable. Now, hypnosis offers us the opportunity to achieve the changes we want to without experiencing that internal conflict, where we can start to visualise our lives differently, being free of the anxiety or worry, the procrastination, self-doubt, guilt, or whatever it may be that is holding us back. Freud described hypnosis as the royal road to the unconscious. It makes use of a naturally occurring trance state that we all experience several times a day. Think about when we're in that daydream state, when someone has to call us 3 times to get our attention, or when driving and we get to our destination without remembering much about how we got there. We were in a trance state. Hypnosis creates this state on purpose through relaxation so that we can become open to new ideas, new ways of thinking that help support change. Hypnosis itself is a wonderfully relaxing experience. There are no clucking chickens, there's no mind control. Just as when we're driving, we still maintain control and we would never do anything that we wouldn't ordinarily do. Working at a subconscious level, we can begin to visualise our lives and our future reality more positively. This encourages the subconscious to accept and embrace change. So when I'm working with someone to help them overcome their fear of flying, I can help them to see themselves sat on the plane, feeling comfortable and safe, enjoying the experience. They're used to creating a horror movie in their mind whenever they think of flying, which maintains the fear. Now they can begin to break down the fear as they're gradually exposing themselves in their minds to their desired outcome, a successful flight. Working with hypnotherapy can be invaluable when dealing with emotional pain, be it from childhood trauma, loss, toxic relationships, or the debilitating effects of acute anxiety or depression. Helping the healing process at a subconscious level can bring about profound results. Having worked with hundreds of men, women and children, I have seen the powerful impact of this amazing process transforming people's lives.